There's a cub inside my truck.
Oh my god.
Look it.
Why did it get in there?
Fuck the final.
How the hell did
Look at that. How the fuck did a bear get in my truck? Oh, my truck. Oh my
Well, if you
god.
don't-
Oh, my mirror.
Put on the alarm. I'll go open the door.
No.
Oh my god, Terry, you crazy? No way.
Mother wouldn't.
Not with cub in there. Like, how the fuck did a bear get in my
I'm
truck?
thinking the mother bear must have smashed the window. Oh.
Is the door locked? Oh my god.
Yeah.
Pass the keys, pass the keys. Okay, somebody record this.
I can't actually see.
Your Joel's good. Record on that side.
Call Vince.
Doesn't even scare them.
I'll go ahead and bang us.
No, if this is not okay. It's scaring her, but it's not scaring that cub. Shut it off. It's agitating that other bear. Oh my god, I gotta do something.